Hey guys, in this video clip I'm going to teach you how to divide fractions. The first thing I'm going to do is look at my problem. I have 2 3/4 divided by 1 4/7. And I noticed that both of those numbers are mixed numbers. So I have to convert them to an improper fraction. And the way I do that is by the Pac-Man method, or we can say our rap that we learned from yesterday. So it's multiply the bottom by the side and add it to the top. The denominator stays the same. That's how we play the game. So I multiply my bottom times my side. 4 times 2 is 8, and I'm adding that to the top. So 8 plus 3 is 11. Okay? So that's my new denominator. Now my denominator stays the same. Okay? So instead of 2 3/4, I have 11/4. Alright? In my next step, I need to change my second number to an improper fraction. So same process, 7 times 1 is 7, 7 plus 4 is 11. And I'm going to keep the denominator a half. Okay? So now what I need to do is bring down my improper fraction to my new equation. I'm going to have 11/4. And if you remember from your notes you took yesterday, step 2 was that we needed to change our sign. When you're dividing fractions, you're actually changing it into a multiplication problem. So we're going to change our division sign to a multiplication sign. And then I'm going to take the reciprocal of 11/7 and bring it down. The reciprocal, all that is a fraction where the numerator becomes the denominator and the denominator becomes the numerator. So 11 is going to be my denominator and 7 is going to be my numerator. So I'm going to have 7/11. And then from here, I basically have my multiplication problem the same way we've been doing multiplication with fractions. So I can simplify. I look at 11 and 11. I know they're both divisible by 11. 11 divided by 11 is 1. 11 divided by 11 is 1. So now I can multiply my numerators together, and then I can multiply my denominators. When multiplying fractions, you are not crisscross multiplying. Okay? No butterfly multiply. So numerators first. 1 times 7 is 7, and 4 times 1 is 4. So I'm going to get 7/4. But I noticed that 7/4 is an improper fraction, so I have to change it back to a mixed number. You can do that using nitto, which stands for numerator inside, denominator outside. So my numerator is 7, and my denominator is 4. 4 goes into 7 one time without busting. 1 times 4 is 4. Then I subtract. 7 minus 4 is 3, and 4 doesn't go into 3. So 3 becomes my remainder and also my numerator, and then I'm going to keep my denominator. So now I have 1 3/4. Okay? So instead of having 2 3/4 divided by 1 4/7, we had to change it into a multiplication problem, but we do get the answer of division. So 1 3/4 divided by 1 4/7 is 1 3/4.